This is how to send pictures of your work using Microsoft Lens. So I have the app here on my phone. I just open it up, go in, get my page and take a picture of it. Once I have that picture taken, I can drag in the corners if I went outside the page when I took the picture, wherever I want, and then once the picture's done, it straightens up. So I click to add a second page, straighten that page up as well, take off all the extra bits from the outside. And then once that's done, I have the two pages side by side. I can edit it if I want to using the commands at the bottom, and then I just click on done. So once I'm in here, I make sure PDF and OneDrive are selected, those boxes, and then give my work a title. So I'm just picking the pages of my workbook and then I save it. So it transfers in, and then once that's saved, it goes straight to my OneDrive, and which I can access from Schoolwise. So I go into Schoolwise then. So I want to turn this in as an assignment. Click on my blue button to sign in. And then I'm going to, this is second year work, so I'm going to go into my second year class. And I scroll down to the bottom of the group activity till I get my little tiles and I pick assignments. So once I get into my assignments, I find the one I was looking for, which was the workbook pages 54 and 55. Instead of edit, you'll have view there. So click on view, that brings you into the assignment. And instead of attach reference material, down here yours says attach my work. So click on that. Then you have your options on how to put in your work. Select OneDrive at the top, and then all your OneDrive folders will appear down the bottom. And because you used Office Lens, it automatically created a folder called Office Lens. So you find that folder, go into it there, find your workbook pages that you just put in, select those and then press attach. Now your work is attached. Click on turn it in to send it.